my channel, and today I had this for a while as I'm recording this, but then I never got around to record it, but I'll show it. But this is a pretty small, I think this is the smallest Rubik's Cube you can ever get, and this is the normal one, the basic one. But we're going to be looking at the normal one, no, the little one. It's not being muddled up as this one. We're not gonna muddle up because muddle it up. If I'm saying that right, because I don't want to because I'm really bad at Rubik's Cube. I have never ever sold one. Since I got this, I muddle it up and I'm not being able to finish it correctly. But it's really it is like kind of stuck when you move it. Yeah. Look at the size of it though. This compared to the normal one. Oh, this is just a cheap one, so this was going to be kind of awkward as well. But it's still the normal size for my normal Rubik's Cube. Oh my god, I'm gonna break this. This is I think this is almost a year old as I'm recording this. This thing, but this is not a year old. I'm recording this here anyways. Yeah. So it's pretty much the size of the top of this, basically. Almost fits on here, but it's smaller. If you enjoyed this video, bye.